In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Peacock subscription through PayPal. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit paypal.com and log in with your PayPal credentials. Step 2. Access payment settings. Click the settings gear icon near the top right, then select Payments tab. Step 3. Manage automatic payments. Click Manage automatic payments or Manage subscriptions and saved businesses. Step 4. Find Peacock subscription. Locate Peacock in the list of active automatic payments. Step 5. Cancel automatic payment. Select the Peacock billing agreement. Click Cancel or Cancel automatic payments and confirm to stop further charges. Step 6. Confirm cancellation. Ensure the status of your payment changes to cancelled to prevent further billing. Now I have some tips for you. Canceling in PayPal stops billing, but it does not delete your Peacock account. You may also contact Peacock support for assistance with account-specific issues, and always check your email for confirmation of cancellation from PayPal. And that's how you cancel your Peacock subscription through PayPal. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.